In Canada, I found a woman who invented a hollow flashlight. For the first time ever, meet Ann Makosinki. Ann Makosinki is a 24 years old Canadian inventor. In 2011, Ann Makosinki invented a flashlight that does not need batteries to work. The flashlight only needs heat from a user's hand to work. In other words, if you hold the flashlight with your hands, it will work. Guys, the hollow flashlight is very important because it saves energy. According to a research, the human body produces a lot of heat energy that is not utilized, but the hollow flashlight makes use of the surplus heat energy to produce useful electricity. Guys, Ann Makosinki is proof that you can make use of the surplus resource to produce something useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next